All right, guys, so right here, it's a damaged piece of sheathing. They're getting the sheathing off. They use the claw hammer, remove the framing nails. Now they're lifting the sheathing. They just got that damaged sheathing out. You can see the mold and rot and mildew on the backside. But when it gets that bad, guys, you're gonna see these rafter tails starting to rot out as well. This was the result of using just cheap underlayment in the past. This roof is 20 years old, so the old school underlayment everybody used was felt paper. This was probably like a 15-pound felt paper. It's just not optimal. That's why they've created synthetic and ice and water self-adhered peel and stick. So in this case, this is all rotted out. So you see the subfascia, that's a subfascia board at the end of the rafter tails. The white board on the face of that is the actual fascia that you see from the ground. So the white board is the fascia. The 2x6 behind the fascia is considered the subfascia. These are rafters. At the end is the rafter tail. Wherever the rafter tail ties into the fascia board, sometimes they're exposed, but in this case, they're tying into the subfascia. So wherever the rafters tie into the subfascia, the fascia board, those are considered rafter tails. As you can see here, the rafter tails are starting to rot out, and so is that subfascia. Bad rafter tail, bad rafter tail, bad rafter tail. Subfascia's rotted out, subfascia's rotted over here a little bit. Rafter tail rotted out, rafter tail rotted out, rafter tail rotted out. Pretty bad.